Hello everyone. Today we will start Java programming by writing a simple Java program. What is required? We will need latest version of JDK, and we will need Eclipse IDE, which is the popular IDE to write a Java program. Therefore, let us go to your popular or your favorite browser in order to download and install these two software. The first one is JDK. Alright, the JDK download, and most probably you will see the Oracle's Java here. The first option, as a first option, click on it, and here you will see different operating systems. I am going to download JDK for Windows, so choose a Windows operating system, and here you will see different options. I'm going to directly download the installer itself, so I'm choosing this one. Go to this download link and your download starters. I think it's a little bit because it is actually downloaded, the first one. You will find it here, click on it and install it. While it is being installed, it has installed or download another, the second software, which is Eclipse IDE. Eclipse IDE, and you will see it here. Okay, you will see this window after clicking on Eclipse IDE. And you can directly go to the download option, and it supports this architecture. You can just click on here, and you can choose this one. If you want to download from another mirror, you can just go to here, but I'm directly downloading it, and it is being downloaded. So this is installing Java. Here the first JDK start installing. Guys, just go to next. Here there are different type of Eclipse IDE alternatives, so that we can choose one of the options based on the type of software we are going to develop. The first option here is for Java developers, and this one is for enterprise application and web developers. This includes the first one also, guys. Actually, I am going to choose this one because for the latter I need to develop an enterprise applications and web applications, including the basic Java application. Therefore, choose this one and install it, guys. Alright, this is the first time view that you will see when you open the IDE for the first time. Now let us go to create the project in order to start the program. The first task is creating a project. Then this wizard will be displayed. Go to Java, and inside Java you will find a Java project. Click on it and click the next. Alright, here you write the name of your project. The project name for can be project 1 and finish it. You can choose this one. Okay, we have created the project. You can click here and you can see the project right here. I don't need this thing. Okay, just I need free space here. Now click on project and you will see the source file. There is nothing here. Now in order to create the class, first we need a package. Right click on source package, source folder, and click on package. Right here, write the name of your package. It can be project 1 again. Finish it. Alright, we have created the project, the package under the project. Now we need to create a class. Okay, write the name of class right here. Now first class is the name of the class. Alright, now everything is ready. This is a template that you will see when you create a class. Okay, now let us start writing the code by creating or defining the main method. The main method is a mandatory method. When you display or when you run your program, the compiler always start compiling your code from the main method. That is why we need a main method. The main method is just this is the main method, but this is not enough in case of Java. Java need the access modifier, which is a public for main method. Again, this is not enough. The main method needs to be static, and this is not again enough. It needs to be void because it returns nothing. Now we need to create the argument or the parameter of type string. This is the method is structure, the main method structure in Java. Alright, this is a method. We need to create a body, the body of method. Now this is the body of method, this method. Now we can start writing the code here inside the main method. The class has a public access modifier. This indicates that this class is accessible outside of the package or inside all the packages. Again here the public access modifier indicates that the method main is accessible outside of this class, and the static indicates that this main method does not require any instance of the class to be called or to be executed, and the void keyword indicates that the main method returns nothing, and the string arg indicates that when you use a console to call this method, sometimes you may need to pass some value to this method. So for that case, this string argument or parameter will be used to pass value when you call the main method. So let us create a simple code that can display a message. Now the function that can be used to display an output in Java is known as the system.out.print or println function. Okay, this is the function that we use to display outputs on the console in Java. Now we need to put any value inside the function to display. And as you know, when you put a string or something, then you have to put double quotation, right? If you are using just numbers, for example, 4, then it doesn't require any quotation because this is a number. Now let us display, for example, this code. When you display it, it asks you for the first time this. The 4 will be displayed like this, right? But if you are displaying a message like welcome message, you need a double quotation because strings always need a double quotation. Let us say, welcome to the first class. Alright, now this message will be displayed. Let us run it. Always save. Alright, welcome to the first class will be displayed. Alright, this is very easy. Now let us do something new. Let us use another approach to display the message, that is using a variable, for example. Now we will create a variable and we will put that variable name here, then the value of that variable will be displayed. As you know, when we create a variable, we need to consider what type of data will be stored on that variable. Now we are going to store this message on the variable, and this message is a string. Now we need the data type of a string, right? And the variable name can be a message. Now assign this value, right, to that variable, including the double quotation. Put semicolon at the end. And now what we are going to do is we do not write this line here. Instead, we use the variable. Alright, now we use this variable. And let us run this code. You see, it displayed the same message. Now what we did is that we declared the variable, we assigned a value for that variable, and we used that variable to display an output. Now, this is another approach. Now let us use another approach. Let us declare this variable outside of the main method, and let us see what will happen. Now, inside the class outside the main method, paste it. You see, we have now declared the variable, assigned the value, and we have called the variable here. As you see, there is an error. This indicates that we have an error here. You know, the red line and underlined with a red line, so this is something problem. Now you see, when you see the description, you cannot make a static reference to a non-static field message. You may see such kind of things when you try to access a non-static variable in the static method. Now our main method is static, but the variable that we are going to refer is non-static. So it is not possible in Java. Accessing a non-static variable inside a static method is not allowed in Java, and it will result a compiler error. So the only thing that we can do to solve this problem is making this variable static right here. Now let us see. Now the error is gone. As you see it here, it is not free, and now we can save it and we can run. As you see, we can see the result here. Guys, this is a simple program and that display a message. Sometimes we may need to display a message with some additional string, like sometimes we may need some variable value with extra additional information. Now, sometimes when we need such kind of code, we can add any additional information including the value of the variable. Here, the value of variable will be displayed, and if you wanted to add some extra message or extra information, we can do that by using a plus sign, and we can put extra message inside this double quotation, like welcome to the first class A. We will continue this course in the next video. So this is how you can add extra message, right? We read the variable, we used a plus sign, and we added the message inside the double quotation. Let us save it and run. Welcome to the first class. We will continue this course in the next video. You see, we can display like this, and I will show you how to make how to use different variables having a different type of data, and how to create the methods in Java which can return different type of data. We will see such kind of operations in the next class. Stay safe. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.